I'm David Hunter, and we're here at Intermission Beer Company in Ashland, Virginia. Owner Courtney White recently partnered with East Coast Amusements to add a full arcade to their newest location. Let's hear what she has to say. Thanks for joining us today.
Of course, thanks for having me.
So what made you to add an arcade to your brewery?
So we're always looking to enhance the guest experience. And beer gets people in the door, but we wanted something to help keep them in the seat and have a family-friendly environment too. So we thought an arcade would be the great option for that.
So was there a specific moment or challenge that pushed you in that direction?
That we found that when people would come to the brewery and there wasn't anything extra for them, they would have a drink or two and then leave. But with the arcade, people actually stick around for a while. They play some games, they have more drinks, they eat more food. So the arcade has been a huge hit for that. Awesome.
So from a business standpoint, how did you evaluate whether adding an arcade made sense?
So for us, in our experience, we needed more room. Our other location, it's very small, and we wanted to expand. And with this space that we found here, it used to be an old CC's, and CC's had an arcade space. So it was kind of a perfect fit for us. So the arcade just made sense.
Awesome. Did you have any concerns going in?
Just space issues, would it make sense to expand to a space this large? Production, logistics between the two locations.
So now that it's up and running, what have you seen here?
Oh, we've definitely seen a lot more families come in, a lot more groups come in. You can do reservations for parties. We do birthday parties, corporate events, happy hours. We've had 1-year-olds birthday parties. We've had 50-year-olds birthday parties. So we have a range of guests that come through here.
Awesome. Have you seen an impact on revenue?
Oh, absolutely. Our partnership with East Coast Amusements has been fantastic. So not only can we sell the beer and the food, but the arcade also brings revenue in for us as well.
Excellent. What about the overall vibe at the brewery now?
Yeah, so the overall vibe here is very energetic. It is very family oriented. I would say at our other location, which is right down the road, it is a little more intimate. I would say, first date friendly for our other location, but here, not that it's not first date friendly, but it is very high energy here.
Right. What is it difficult to manage or maintain?
The arcade itself, absolutely not. No, it's very easy to manage and maintain. The Amusement Connect system, the kiosk has been wonderful. East Coast Amusements has been wonderful to work with as well. So everything's been super easy. I can check everything from the back end dashboard. I can combine cards if there's cards that have credits for multiple cards. It's been super easy to work with.
That's great.
Yeah.
So what would you say to the other breweries in your area?
I would say that if you have some room to add an arcade, absolutely do so. Even if you have a small corner, talk to East Coast Amusements and see what they could do for you.
Excellent. Well, Courtney, thanks for having us in today.
Of course.
We appreciate it, and this is a lovely space.
Thank you.
As you just heard, adding an arcade to your brewery doesn't have to be complicated. East Coast Amusements handles everything, from the games, to the kiosk, to the back-end management system. Customers stay longer, spend more, and your tap room becomes a destination for everyone from their first dates to birthday parties. If you have the space, even just a small corner, reach out to East Coast Amusements at ecagames.com and see what they can do for you. Cheers.